You little...
What is going on, internet? You guys are in for just a real treat today. I get to fix a coolant flush that I did either last episode or 2 episodes, whatever. Yeah, it happened. I'm an idiot and apparently I don't know how to follow instructions. The Fuchs, pretty sure I'm saying that right. It's a 50-50 mix that you're supposed to use, not the full concentrate like what I put in there. So we get to go through today and drain half of that out and put some distilled water in there. Stop by a local trusty Walmart and pick some up. And we also got a new control arm. Of course, I left that in the car, but I picked that up yesterday. And this is the best part. The last body panel that I've been waiting on, the hood. I managed to get a hold of one. When I stopped by my local LKQ auto wrecker, I managed to order a hood while I was there. They just listed it. It had not been sold yet, so I picked up a hood for $1,100 Canadian, and that is an awesome deal. Everywhere I've been looking, $1,500, $1,800, $2,800 from the dealer. But this is a fully assembled hood, comes with the sound material stuff underneath, comes with the hood brackets for mounting it on the latches or hinges, and I could not be happier. That was a really good steal. So we've got that on order, and we're gonna try all that stuff today. Keep it here. Okay, so basically what I'm going to be doing is draining some fluid out from the rad, and this is going to be our drain point right there. It's a little plug and an elbow. Most of the elbows that I've seen for the cooling system on V-dubs and Audis, they've always had a spout basically on the side here coming out with a little nozzle you can put a rubber tube on and drain it off like that so you don't spill everywhere. But for some reason mine doesn't have that. So I am going to have to drain it straight from this plug, which is not the easiest thing to get to in the world. And then I'm thinking I'm going to have to take off this bracket, which is not a big deal, it's just 2 bolts. But it's going to just piss everywhere all over those hoses, which I mean, I'm not thoroughly pleased about, but I mean, if I don't have any other way to drain the rad, then I guess that's it. All right, so I drained out roughly 2.5 liters of fluid, because this takes about 5 liters. Now I just gotta reattach the clip for this wiring harness. It's like, now I'm gonna bring the whole car down and then basically run it. And then, oh yeah, I also filled it with distilled water. I backed the Audi up to the door. I didn't realize this, but diesels take forever to heat up. I've never owned one, so yeah, that sounds like it's gonna explode. Oh, we finally got the fans going. That's good. Okay, so change of plans. This broken window, I kind of want to get rid of. So it's hammer time. Can't touch this except I can. So I have a real treat for anyone that's actually watching and cares about this channel, but I bought a Canon SL2, so hopefully the video will look better because I've been shooting all of these videos on my phone. And I also got a new camera bag, tripod so that you have no more shaky cam, and an actual microphone. So hopefully everything will start to look better and sound better. The content may not improve because I'm doing it, but let's see what the video difference looks like. We have a hood. I picked it up last night. It wasn't that long of a drive, an hour one way. But on today's episode, I am looking to finally change out that rear lower control arm. I'm going to put the mounting brackets on our fender. Then I'm going to try and continue to fix the front driver's side door, put in the new glass if possible. I might have to take the driver's side door, the front driver's side door off the car, which would suck, but it might be necessary to do that. And I mean, that's quite a bit because I only have 3 or 4 hours to be able to do all this stuff right now. Today is a busy day for me, but stay tuned.
You guys have been watching me struggle with this for a little bit. Let me show you why I'm struggling with it. So this bolt right here, which attaches to the rest of the lower control arm, I didn't realize, but back up in here, this is actually a plastic cover for the rear subframe, and this bolt goes right through and attaches to a nut on the other side. So the fact that there's a nut in behind this plastic guard, I'm trying to figure out how to get the guard off. There's like these little, I don't know, push grommets or something, and I'm trying to figure out how to get them out, but they are not coming out. So I guess you're just gonna have to watch me struggle with that for a bit more until I can figure it out, and then get this bolt out, and there's one more bolt up in here, right there. There's a nut there, and then I should be good to take this out. Okay, so we finally got the bolts out of that lower control arm. There you go. Got one up there. I got that stupid aluminum sleeve out, which is that piece right there, which was connected that right there across to the other side underneath there. I don't know why, but it's a thing that Audi did. Kind of stupid. And my battery is dying. But anyways, this is pretty loose now. Yeah, this is loose now, so I'll be able to take that out finally.
I thought I was going to be able to sneak out that lower control arm without having to disassemble the upper control arm and the shock tower and everything like that, but no, it doesn't work like that apparently. It's just not enough room to get that upper part past. So annoyed with myself, but I guess you learn that you cannot take the quick way around. You have to do things the appropriate order. Oh, actually, that looks like it's sliding. No, it's not. It definitely is not. Okay, well, I guess I have no choice but to finish doing this the right way by taking off the upper control arm and disassembling the shock to be able to slide this out. Great. So what I'm doing is I am just filing the edges so that there's no burrs as I'm putting this sleeve back in between here and the inside of that lower control arm. Because if there's burrs, you're not going to get it in. That's what she said. it is official. All of the work underneath the car is complete. So we've replaced our control arm with this nice, well, I was gonna say new to us. And it has about the same amount of damage to it as the other one. So that's cool. Everything is torqued. Well, not really torqued to spec, as tight as it was when I took it off. So I'm okay with that. Now all I gotta do is put the wheel back on, and then we call it a day. That took way too long. All right, guys, that is another episode. Sean break in the bank. I'm tired. I went way longer than I should have. If there's anything that you guys learn from me, it's how not to do something. So don't change a rear lower control arm on an Audi Q5 like that. That was pitiful. I did break something though. Just didn't really get it on camera. I can show you though. Let's take a gander. There's a little plastic clip that goes right in there because there's a guard over top of the subframe in the rear. Yeah, stupid plastic guard. Don't know why it's there. But I broke one plastic clip. So I'm continuing with the theme of breaking shit. Alright. I didn't get everything done today that I hoped to get done. I managed to do the control arm, and that's literally it. That took me 7 hours. 8 hours? I've lost all track of time. I think it's 9. It's 9 at night. It's way too late. So I didn't get the door done. Didn't get the other door done. I basically did all. This is sweet. Okay, well, I guess you'll have plenty more episodes to watch of me breaking things. So I will see you in the next episode.